That's okay. Let me see. Yeah, let's not.
Let's not growl out the window.
Yeah, I should do that.
Yeah, 'cause she could probably push that screen
Oh,
out.
easily, yeah. And sometimes she lodges behind
The toilet.
Yes, that's why I usually stay in here with her. Oh, the toilet. You like that little ledge? She likes little ledges.
Yeah. She could blow up a basketball.
Hmm?
All that air could blow up a basketball.
Yeah, it's true.
How much does she weigh?
A lot. She's over 100 pounds. She's probably 140 maybe.